Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add Call of Duty Modern Warfare to your Steam. So there are actually two ways how we can do it, or two options that you can do. The first way is just go to Library on Steam, click Add Game, add a non-Steam game, and when you're right here, you want to click here Call of Duty Modern Warfare or browse the game and find it. So this is the first thing. Or what you can do is just find Battle.net and add Battle.net 2. So right now you can also start Battle.net and then just start in Battle.net Call of Duty. So this is the first way how we can do. So that's what I recommend to do. And how would I do it? So I have also GTA 5 here. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day everybody, and goodbye. See ya.